Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Venta, your go-to place for the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and reliable vans on the market, the all-new 2026 Toyota Hiace. Whether you're into commercial vehicles, family transportation, or camper conversions, the Hiace has been a favorite for decades. And now, in 2026, Toyota has given it a fresh and modern makeover, both in terms of design and functionality. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2026 Toyota Hiace now features a more aerodynamic and aggressive exterior that blends utility with style. The front fascia sports a bold new grille design with sleek LED headlights that add a modern touch while improving visibility and energy efficiency. The overall body has been slightly widened and lowered to offer better road stability and a more planted look. Clean lines run along the sides, giving it a contemporary silhouette that still manages to stay true to its practical, boxy DNA. One of the most notable changes is the front engine layout, which offers more cabin space and improved safety. This forward control design now gives the Hiace a more SUV-like appearance, while enhancing crash protection and overall handling. Toyota has also introduced new alloy wheels, subtle chrome accents, and redesigned tail lamps to give the rear a refreshed, premium look. Overall, the 2026 Hiace looks more sophisticated and ready for both commercial and personal use. Now let's talk performance. The new Hiace comes with multiple powertrain options to meet different market needs. You can choose between a powerful 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine or a 3.5-liter V6 petrol engine, both engineered to provide a smooth and efficient ride, even when fully loaded. Toyota has also hinted at hybrid variants for selected regions, aiming to reduce emissions while maintaining power. The 2.8-liter diesel delivers around 150 to 175 horsepower and a torque output that ensures strong pulling capability, perfect for cargo and passenger duties alike. The V6 petrol engine offers a higher horsepower output, making it ideal for private owners or fleet operators looking for smoother long-distance driving. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic gearbox, providing flexibility based on your driving needs. The suspension system has been retuned to offer a more comfortable ride even on rough terrain, making the 2026 Hiace perfect for cities, highways, and everything in between. Step inside, and the interior will surprise you. The 2026 Hiace offers a significantly more premium and ergonomic cabin than before. Toyota has invested in better materials, improved noise insulation, and a smarter layout. The dashboard is clean and well organized, featuring a large infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. There's also a digital driver display that gives you real-time updates on fuel economy, navigation, and vehicle alerts. Depending on the variant, the Hiace can seat anywhere between 3 to 15 passengers. Each seat is more comfortable, with better cushioning and ample legroom. Higher trims even include adjustable captain chairs, USB charging ports, and rear air conditioning vents, ensuring everyone on board travels in comfort. For drivers, the visibility is excellent, and the controls are within easy reach. The steering wheel now comes with mounted controls, and there's plenty of storage space for documents, water bottles, and gadgets. In terms of cargo, the Hiace continues to excel. The rear offers generous loading space with a low floor height, making loading and unloading more efficient. Toyota has also introduced smart sliding doors and optional powered tailgates for added convenience. Whether you're running a transport business, a mobile service operation, or simply hauling sports equipment, the Hiace makes it all easier. Now let's look at some unique features that set the 2026 Toyota Hiace apart from the competition. First up is Toyota Safety Sense, which is now standard across most variants. This includes features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. These systems work together to reduce the risk of accidents and make driving more secure. Another cool feature is the smart entry and push start system, giving you a more car-like experience in a van. There's also a rear-view camera with parking sensors, a must-have for maneuvering a large vehicle in tight spaces. Some variants even come with a tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, and traction control, making the Hiace safer and more user-friendly than ever. Toyota has also made strides in connectivity. Fleet operators can now opt for integrated telematics solutions that help monitor vehicle usage, driver behavior, fuel efficiency, and maintenance schedules. This is especially valuable for companies looking to optimize operations and reduce costs. And finally, one of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Hiace is its versatility. Whether you want to use it as a family van, a commercial shuttle, a mobile office, or even convert it into a camper van, the Hiace adapts to your needs effortlessly. With a solid reputation for reliability, long-term durability, and easy maintenance, it continues to be a solid investment. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota Hiace. Stylish, safe, powerful, and incredibly practical. Toyota has once again proven why the Hiace remains a global favorite. Whether you're a business owner or just someone looking for a dependable van, the Hiace should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and updates from Auto Venta. See you in the next one.